Hi friends, hope you are doing well. Today I came up with a new challenge from one of our subscriber. The challenge is, we have to write code in Selenium on web alerts. From scratch we will build the code. Don't skip the video and comment your query below. It's an easy 3-step process. Selenium isn't that much hard if you know these 3 steps. Those are, creating Maven project, adding dependencies, few simple Selenium commands. In my notepad I have already saved required remedies. What URL we are going to test, location of my browser driver, dependencies required to add. JUnit dependencies for assertions. If you open the link web page look like this. Here you can able to see 3 action buttons which are JS Alert, JS Confirm, JS Prompt. If you click JS Alert it will pop up the alert and contains only one button which is click. Same like that JS Confirm gives you OK and cancel options. JS Confirm will accept text from user and uses for backend operations. There also you can select either OK or cancel buttons. In this web page you see the text that you are performing on alerts. Thanks for watching the video and please do subscribe if you are not yet. I hope you will learn some new concepts from this video. Without delay, let's start executing those 3 easy steps to complete the challenge. Let's create a new project. I'm selecting Maven project. Let's give name as challenges. I will keep remaining things as is. Java version will be 1.8. Keep archetype will be quick start. Let's fill advanced settings. I'm gonna keep group ID is Selenium, artifact ID is challenges. These can be anything as your wish. I have provided detailed explanation in my previous video in detail. If you haven't watched it, please watch. Maven will take few seconds to build the project completely. Meanwhile, let's complete second step. I'm adding Selenium dependency. 2 dependencies are required for this tutorial, but Maven will add JUnit dependency by default. We've got build success. If you observe Popup.xml dependencies section added by Maven with JUnit, let's copy Selenium dependency and add in Popup.xml. Let's do a Maven refresh. All required jars got downloaded and you can check them in external library folder. Let's close this one and open SRC folder. Inside SRC folder you have main and test folders. Let me delete default class. I will create a new package and I'm going to name it as selenium.challenges.alerthandlers. You can name anything based on your preference. I'm going to create a class inside this package. Let me close this Project Explorer and console, then you have a better visual. I will start implementing main method. Shortcut is type main and enter. Inside main method we have to implement our logic. Start setting up system properties. This will help Selenium code to locate browser driver to communicate with real browser. Selenium will pass all commands in a JSON format to driver and driver will pass them real browser. I already have browser driver location handy in Notepad. In first challenge I've discussed how to download drivers. If you have any queries please go and watch it. Create a edge driver object. Using this driver instance we will perform rest of the operations. Once browser got loaded successfully, let's maximize the window using following command. This will give best visual user interactions while running test suites. Launch the URL in the browser using driver.get method. I have the URL pasted in Notepad. Let me copy it and paste inside code. First alert that we are going to test is JS alert. Let's go to the browser and inspect the element. In this element we have ID is the unique identifier. Let's copy that. I will add a comment also, so that you can compare the difference. As you already learned from my first video, to find any element we will use driver.findElement by ID. Let's add the ID that we copied from browser element. If you click on JS Alert button, one alert pop-up will display on the top. Let's write some logic to move Selenium control from button element to alert element. Command for that is driver.switch to .alert. Return type is alert class. I'm going to store it in alert1 variable. Let's go to the browser and see what is the next course of action. We have one OK button in the alert. Let's write logic to click that OK button. Command for that is alert.accept. That means whenever alert popped up, we are accepting it by clicking OK button. I'm going to introduce assertions in this tutorial. Assertion methods we getting from JUnit jar. This helps to verify that we are getting expected results from test cases. Let's store the value from the web page, which is useful to verify the expected value is matching or not. As I mentioned previously, all alert operation results are displayed in Dialog response element. Here also we have unique ID. Let's use it as an element locator and get the text using getText method. Now using assertions equals method, verify are we getting correct value or not. We have successfully written code for JS alert and verification steps as well. Now it's time to write code for JS confirm operation. Same as previous steps, get the unique ID locator for respective element and perform click operation on the element. I'm going to copy-paste above steps, and we'll do the modification. We've already learned how to click OK button by accepting the alert. Now let's click on Cancel button by calling dismiss method from alert instance. Now I'm going to verify in assertions that we are getting cancel operation result correctly or not. Now we've reached final operation that is JS prompt. Here we can enter text and perform either OK or cancel operation on alert. Let's copy above code and paste below. Change the duplicate variable names which are giving errors. In JS prompt, process is a bit different. First we have to send text. We will achieve it using sendKeys method, and second operation is click OK button. We can do it using accept method. In sendKeys method I'm sending, looks good. After entering text, this button we have to click. Let's change the variable name for assertions as well. Seems we have written code for all JS alerts operations. At the end, close the browser on successful completion. Let's give some thread.sleep before each operation. Then we can see all the actions. If you give thread.sleep must enclose that code inside try-catch block, or you have put throws declaration on method signature. Here I'm throwing interrupted exception. Let's copy this statement and paste before all operations. Now it's time to run the code. Click Run button. One advantage of assertion is, if asserted condition is not satisfying, test case will fail. Then you can verify on what condition it is failing. Seems our execution has started. It is opening the browser and performing all the operations one by one. Let's hope that we will not encounter with any error. Browser got closed successfully. That means there's no error and all asserted condition got verified completely. If you face any error, then browser will not close until you close it manually. Check the code if you want, and for any doubts and clarifications please comment below.
Thanks for watching video. Please support us by subscribing channel and hit bell icon. Your support motivating me to do more videos.